Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here barefaced, hair looking a mess, and in my gym fit because I'm about to do this deep conditioner. So this is my go-to DIY deep conditioner. So basically I feel like when I do this deep conditioner, it like helps revive my curls. It helps, you know, give my hair shine, moisture, you know, everything that your hair needs. So basically I'm about to do it now. So before I do protective styles, I like to deep condition my hair before and after. So these type of deep conditioners, like the DIY ones or protein type treatments, I like to do those, you know, leave them in my head preferably overnight, but I probably won't leave it in overnight this time. But usually I'll keep it in overnight, sometimes 2 nights if I'm really not doing nothing. So I usually do the protein treatment, the deep conditioning mask, whatever you want to call it. I usually do that, and then like when I wash it out, I put in another deep conditioner. So like usually a store-bought deep conditioner. I kind of make it up as I go, so you guys will see the ingredients, because all of these ingredients definitely can be found in your kitchen. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. Okay, so these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using for the mask today. So we just have some honey, some mayo, an egg, and a banana. If your hair is longer or thicker, I would suggest using 2 eggs. You can add whatever oil you want. I'm just going to put olive oil this time, and then we're going to put it in the blender. Okay, so here is the mask. I have it in this bowl. It's like that, look like pancake mix. I'm telling you, I've been doing this mask, like different variations of it, since about 2013. I don't know if y'all know this YouTuber. Her name is Sunkissed Alba. I tell y'all, if y'all trying to get on y'all natural hair stuff, like I feel like back then when she was going through her little heat damage journey, because now her curls are 100% healthy and they're beautiful, but she just had the most, like some of the most informative videos. So that's kind of where I got my inspiration from for this mask. Yeah, so I have a towel, because usually when I do it, I still have a towel on me, but I do it in my bathroom over my sink, because you know it can get a little messy now. I don't even know if I'm gonna use all of this, because this is my first time doing one of my masks on my hair since I cut it. So the main parts that I be focusing on is the front of my hair, because that's where my pieces are very like straight, like, you know. So I like to do roots first and then ends. Before I would, of course, you know, do my hair in like sections, but because my hair cut, I really don't need to do sections like that. If you do this without banana or avocado and you just use a fork to blend it, like whisk it, I'm telling you, like, I don't like eggs, so I think that just makes it worse. But the eggs be so slimy and nasty, I just be like, oh my god. So we just gonna do it like this. So you just want to run it through your hair, period. See, people wouldn't think, but my hair is actually kind of thick. My hair just soft, so people don't think it's like as thick as it is. So I think I am about to use all of this. Like I said, I wasn't, but it's looking like I am. I like for my stuff to be saturated, okay? Like, no bull. I'm telling you, I put this junk everywhere. Like, empty, baby. So you just put your hair in a ponytail. You can clip it. That's my little hang time. So you can put on a plastic cap like this. So if you don't have a plastic cap, what I do, because sometimes I don't be having plastic caps, not even gonna cap. So what you could do is, as a good substitute, is just get a store bag, kind of rip it down the middle just a little bit for your head, and then put it on your head, and then tie it in the back. So we're gonna leave this in until maybe it's about 7 something right now, so I'm probably gonna wash it out at like 12, 1, you know, whenever I get in the shower. And people always ask me how I be getting my hair long and how I keep my hair healthy. Honestly, part of it is genetics. I'm not gonna lie, part of it is genetics, but I take care of my hair. Like, I put protective styles, but I'm not just doing protective styles period, because you know sometimes those protective styles can be leading to breakage. So in between protective styles or having my hair, I'll keep my hair moisturized. I deep condition all the time. So because like I said, when I rinse this out, I'm putting another deep conditioner in there. So that's just ways that I do it. Yeah, I could do a video about that if y'all really want to know my personal like hair care tips for strong, long, healthy hair. I could do that, but I'm about to show y'all what deep conditioner I'm gonna use. So this is the Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate and repair. It says cleanse and restore extremely dry and brittle hair, and then sulfate free and color safe. So then the conditioner is the Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. Soften and nourish natural, chemically processed, or heat styled hair. The deep conditioner I'm using is this Shea Moisture Manuka honey and Mafura oil intensive hydration hair mask. But last week I used the Mayo peppermint and something deep conditioner. Y'all need to cop that. That junk is good. Like, I'm talking about, like, I left it in for about 2 days too. That's what I be saying. Like, I can leave it in my hair if I'm not doing nothing. So I left that in my hair about 2 days, and when I tell you I rinsed it out, my hair was so soft, and it was peppermint, so it really like kind of tingled my scalp, and I be liking that feeling. So yeah, so the next time you guys will see me, it will be with these results. Okay y'all, so I have on my pajamas because it's like 4 a.m. and my hair is like, I would say 85% dry, and this is with no product in my hair. And I would definitely say like my curls, they're bouncy. My hair, I don't know if it's really picking up on the camera or not, but my hair is so shiny, and it's just overall like it feels good. So these are my results. I hope you guys really try this mask, because I really do believe that it works, and especially if you use it over time, you will definitely see changes in your hair. And that deep conditioner I used, you guys should definitely use it also, because my hair holds products pretty well, so my hair smells hella good right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and if you guys want to see any other videos from me, just let me know. I hope to see you guys in my next video.